What if I told you that your ability to stand up from the floor might reveal a lot about your health span, the years you'll live with energy and independence? Here's the reality. Only a small percentage of people over 70 maintain these 5 basic abilities that make all the difference between independence and dependence. These aren't extraordinary athletic feats. They're fundamental indicators that determine whether you'll maintain your freedom and vitality or gradually lose both. Let's dive straight into these 5 crucial capabilities and how you can preserve or rebuild them, even if you're starting with limitations. First, can you get up from the floor without using your hands or furniture for support? This movement reveals far more than just leg strength. It shows how well your entire body works together as a system. Your core, legs, balance system, and brain all have to coordinate. Studies have linked this ability to longevity markers, suggesting those who maintain it tend to face fewer health challenges down the road. It's a sign your body systems are communicating effectively. If you struggle with floor transfers, that's okay. Start by practicing standing from progressively lower, sturdy chairs. Practice partial movements with support nearby. Focus on strengthening key muscle groups like your quads and glutes separately. The goal is steady progress, not instant perfection. If staying active and independent matters to you, hit that subscribe button. We're diving deep into more ways to help you thrive, not just survive. Second, can you walk at a brisk pace for 30 minutes without needing to stop and rest? This isn't just about endurance. It's about maintaining the crucial brain-body connection that keeps you mobile and sharp. Walking engages your heart, lungs, muscles, and brain, preserving both physical and mental health. Regular walking sharpens thinking, improves mood, and protects brain areas vital for memory, often more effectively than expensive supplements. If 30 minutes seems daunting right now, begin with 5-minute walks, perhaps several times a day. Consider water walking to reduce joint stress. Using walking poles can add stability and confidence. Remember, any movement is better than none. Have you found other ways to make walking more enjoyable or manageable? Let us know down in the comments. Third, can you safely lift and carry something weighing about 20 pounds? Think about everyday tasks: grocery bags, a small suitcase, a grandchild, or a pet. This kind of practical strength determines your ability to shop independently, travel, manage your household, and respond confidently to daily life. Maintaining this strength supports your metabolism, protects your bones, and keeps you feeling capable and engaged. If 20 pounds isn't realistic today, start much smaller, even 2 to 3 pounds. Use household items like soup cans or water bottles. Gradually increase as you feel stronger. Focus on grip strength by squeezing a therapy ball. Practice proper lifting form. Bend your knees, keep your back straight, even with light objects. Consistency is key. Fourth, can you balance on one foot for 10 seconds without holding on to anything? This quick test reveals the health of your entire balance system, the intricate communication between your eyes, inner ears, feet, joints, and brain. Good balance isn't just about preventing falls, though that's critical. It's a window into your overall neurological health and how effectively your brain coordinates sensory input and muscle response. If balancing is challenging, always start near a sturdy support like a counter or wall. Practice for just a few seconds at first, multiple times a day. Try balance exercises while seated if standing feels unsafe. Even small improvements here dramatically reduce your fall risk. Fifth, and perhaps the most profound, Do you wake up each morning with a meaningful reason to get out of bed? Purpose. This may be the most powerful factor for resilience. It's not just a nice feeling, it creates measurable positive changes in your body and brain. People with a strong sense of purpose tend to have lower rates of heart disease, stroke, dementia, and depression. They also tend to have better immune function and faster recovery from illness. Purpose fuels a biological response that protects your health. If finding purpose feels elusive, start small. Commit to helping a neighbor, calling a friend, or sharing a skill. Reconnect with past hobbies. Consider how your life experience could benefit others, perhaps through volunteering or mentoring. Purpose doesn't need to be grand. It needs to be meaningful to you. Now, if you listened to some of these and thought, "I can't do that right now," please know, that's completely normal. These are skills, not pass-fail tests. You didn't lose them overnight, and you won't regain them instantly. The focus is on consistent small efforts that compound over time. Here's a crucial point. You might know someone, perhaps a parent or grandparent, who lived a long life without being able to do all these things. And that's absolutely true. Overall lifespan has many contributing factors. But what we're focusing on here is health span, the years you live with vitality, independence, and the capacity to truly engage with life. These 5 keys aren't about guaranteeing a specific number of years. They're about significantly enhancing the quality, safety, and freedom within those years. They're about reducing your risk of falls and dependence and maintaining the ability to do what matters most to you. If you're finding this perspective on Healthspan helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps others find it. Instead of overwhelming yourself, try this. Pick the one ability that feels weakest or most important to you right now. Dedicate just 5 minutes each day to working on it using the simple starting steps we discussed. Maybe find a friend or family member working on similar goals for encouragement. Aging isn't just about the number of candles on your cake. It's about the energy and ability you have to enjoy the party. It's an active journey you influence daily. The relatively small group of seniors who maintain these functions aren't superhuman. They've often just been consistent in preserving or rebuilding these fundamentals. Your body can adapt and improve at any age when challenged appropriately. The question isn't if you're getting older, we all are. The question is how you'll navigate those years, with increasing vitality or growing limitation. These 5 keys offer a practical roadmap to aging with strength and on your own terms. Now, a quick but important reminder. Always consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have underlying health conditions. This information is for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Which key feels most important for your quality of life right now? Let us know in the comments below which one you'll start focusing on today. We read all your comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.